Ever feel like your paycheck disappears before the end of the month? You're not alone. But don't worry, today, I'll show you how to take control of your money with a zero-based budget. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a powerful tool to manage your finances and make your money work for you. A zero-based budget is a simple way to give every dollar a job. This doesn't mean you'll have $0 in your bank account, it just means you've planned where every dollar goes so that you're always in control. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. List your income. First, write down all the money you bring in each month, your paycheck, side hustles, bonuses, and any other income sources. Be sure to include everything. Let's say your total monthly income is $3,500. Step 2. List your expenses. Now, it's time to list everything you spend money on. Start with fixed expenses, rent, utilities, car payments. Then, add variable expenses, like food, gas, and entertainment. Finally, don't forget savings and investments. Many people forget to budget for savings, but this is crucial for financial security. Step 3. Give every dollar a job now. Match your income to your expenses. Every single dollar should be assigned to a category. If you make $3,500, then your total planned expenses, including savings and fund money, should also add up to $3,500. This ensures your money is working for you, not disappearing randomly. Step 4. Track your spending. Throughout the month, keep track of your spending. If you overspend in one category, adjust another to stay within your budget. This is what makes zero-based budgeting flexible. It works with your lifestyle while keeping you accountable. Step 5. Adjust and improve. No budget is perfect on the first try. You'll need to tweak it each month based on real-life spending. Maybe you realize you need more for groceries and less for entertainment. That's totally fine. Just make sure everything still balances out to zero. Why zero-based budgeting works. So why does this method work? Here's why. You avoid overspending, you save money faster, you reduce financial stress, you stay in control of your money, you can achieve your financial goals faster. If you're new to budgeting, you might run into some challenges. Let's go over the most common mistakes and how to fix them. Forgetting expenses. Look at past bank statements to make sure you include everything. Not tracking spending. Use an app or a simple notebook to stay on top of your expenses. Being too strict. Give yourself room for fun. Budgeting shouldn't feel like punishment. Not adjusting when needed. Your budget should change as your income and expenses change. Be flexible. Tips for making your budget even better. Want to make your zero-based budget even more powerful? Here are some extra tips. Use cash envelopes for categories where you tend to overspend. Set up automatic transfers to savings so you're paying yourself first. Review your budget weekly to stay on top of it. Try a budgeting app to make tracking easier. Final thoughts and call to action. And there you have it. Zero-based budgeting is an amazing way to take full control of your money. Try it for just 1 month and see the difference it makes. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more money tips, and share this video with someone who needs it. Comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.